Hi guys, it's Artsense. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an iOS 18 update review and all the cool features that come with it. So this is my home screen. And you press hold, edit, and customize. And then you can small, large, and you can adjust the color. I didn't know that you can adjust that. That's cool. So now you can do light, dark. Where's the colors? That's all I did. Oh yeah, tinted. So you can do light, dark, blue, purple. It kind of depends on what you want to do. But I think I want to do like a orange. That looks good. Now it kind of looks black and white, kind of like that. So now you can customize it, press hold on it, and customize. And then you can change it to, let's say you want a stopwatch, and let's do Instagram. Done. And then it goes to your Instagram. And you can do a video or anything you want. But I'm going to customize it to camera because it's much easier, and add the widget of just the weather. That's it. Let's see what new stuff they have. That's all mine. So this is their collection. I don't like that. I like the one that I have right now. It's really cute and sleek. Let's go. And we can now send a message at a certain time. So we'll see it at 7 p.m. Say hi, guys. Yeah. And then send it. So we'll see it at 7 p.m. I'll update you when it's sent. Yeah, and then you take that out, and now you can just say hi. And then once you highlight it, you can say text effect. Now you can do nod, small, shake, ripple, jitter, all types of stuff you can do. So yeah, that's the cool part. And now you can send that. And you can also have these different colorful emoticons or replying to the message. But I don't know why it doesn't show the color. Maybe it depends on the recipient. But yeah, so that is messages. And now we're gonna go to the notes app. Let's say I want to take these. I can take these out. I'm going to show you it in real time. So you press the drawing, and then you press the plus and add a sticker. And you can add this. You can also add text, which is better than doing it, the other way. Hi. subscribe. My favorite brush ever. You can format it, you can bold it, and you can click on it, and then go to there, the font, and then you could change the color. Let's do that color, and I'm gonna add another sticker, because why not? See, it's cute. I knew there was a reason why I did stickers. Add a shape. Not that one. Let's add that one. Cool, right? The text. You can double tap it and say cool heart design. Cool heart. Now I can customize it. The color, the font. I bet we can see the other one. So now you can make your notes nice and cool. I always do that. So yeah, that is notes. So now we're gonna go to calculator. You can also do convert. You can Indian rupees, US dollars. You can just say 2 is this much. You can also do that. $2. It'll convert it, and you can do different metrics, power, pressure, fuel, all kinds of stuff. So yeah. I kind of forgot about this, but you just add the plus sign, and then you have the control center, and then you can move it around and make it more customization. And yeah, it's a fun thing, and they have tons and tons of stuff that you can add. The list goes on, but the low power mode I forgot to add, and there's a music section, and also all the connection, like your Bluetooth, your Wi-Fi, your everything. And yeah, that's pretty much everything iOS 18. I had so much fun doing this video and customizing it to look black and white. I like this, and I'll make a wallpaper just for this. Make sure to follow me everywhere at @RSisGirl, and subscribe and like this video, and comment below if you want iPadOS 17 to 18. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.